Cash flow is more important than your mother. Brutal, but true for business survival.
Buy assets, not liabilities. Understand the difference. Diversify, diversify, diversify. Don't let one thing sink you. Time is your most valuable asset. Use it wisely in business. The market is a voting machine in the short term, a weighing machine in the long term. Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. Educate yourself first. It takes money to make money, but it takes vision to make a fortune. Don't put all your eggs in one basket unless you control the basket. A penny saved is a penny earned, but a penny invested is a dollar earned. Know your numbers intimately. If you don't, you're flying blind. Goodwill is priceless. Treat people well both inside and outside your business. A brand is what people say about you when you're not in the room. Manage it carefully. Culture eats strategy for breakfast. A strong culture drives success. Measure what matters. If you can't measure it, you can't improve it. Seek advice from those who have been where you want to go. The trend is your friend until the bend at the end. Be watchful. Cut your losses quickly. Don't let ego get in the way of logic. Plan your trade. Trade your plan. Discipline is crucial to success. Control your expenses like your life depends on it, because it does. Debt is a tool, not a weapon. Use it wisely, or it will destroy you. Invest in yourself. It's the highest return investment you can make. Innovation is the lifeblood of business. Stagnation leads to decline. Underpromise and overdeliver. Exceed expectations consistently. Adapt or die. The business world is constantly evolving. The customer is always right about their perception of your service. Learn from your mistakes. Don't repeat them. Iterate. Don't be afraid to fail, but fail fast and learn even faster. The best investment you can make is in education and skills. Persistence pays off. Never give up on your vision. Stay hungry, stay foolish. Never stop learning and questioning. Due diligence is essential. Research before you invest. Honesty is the best policy. Integrity builds trust. Build relationships. Networking is key to success. Network effectively. Quality over quantity of connections. Marketing is storytelling. Connect with your audience emotionally. Simplicity sells. Complexity confuses. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. Focus on providing value. Competition breeds excellence. It pushes you to be better. Think outside the box. Challenge conventional wisdom. Stay ahead of the curve. Anticipate future trends. Sales solve everything. Nothing happens until something is sold. Data drives decisions. Use analytics to inform your strategy. Automate when possible. Free up your time for strategic tasks. Delegate effectively. Trust your team to execute. Focus on your strengths. Outsource your weaknesses. Disrupt or be disrupted. Innovate or become obsolete. Embrace change. It's the only constant in business. Efficiency is crucial for profitability. Eliminate waste. Negotiate wisely. Know your bottom line and be prepared to walk away. Read the fine print. Understand the terms before you agree to anything. Know your weaknesses. Work to improve them or find partners to compensate. Seek mentors. Learn from their experience and guidance. Be a lifelong learner. The world is constantly changing. Stay informed. Keep up with industry news and trends. Tax planning is vital. Minimize your tax burden legally. Avoid tax evasion. The consequences are severe. Accounting tells the story of your business. Understand your financials. Audit with integrity. Ensure accuracy and transparency. Finance fuels growth. Manage your cash flow effectively. Economics explains human behavior and the dynamics of markets. Recessions are inevitable. Be prepared for economic downturns. Boom and bust cycles are part of the economy. Understand them. Inflation erodes the value of money. Protect your purchasing power. Deflation is dangerous. It can lead to economic stagnation. Money has a time value. $1 today is worth more than $1 tomorrow. Interest compounds over time. Take advantage of compounding returns. Liquidity matters. Have enough cash on hand to meet your obligations. Asset allocation is key to investment success. Diversify across asset classes. Hedge your bets. Protect your investments from potential losses. Value investing endures. Buy undervalued assets for long-term gains. Growth stocks grow fast but are also riskier. Market timing is risky. Focus on long-term investing. Invest for the long term. Time in the market beats timing the market. Don't panic sell during market downturns. Stay calm and rational. Control your emotions. Fear and greed can lead to bad decisions. Speculation is gambling. Avoid risky bets without proper knowledge. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes. They are usually too good to be true. Beware of bubbles. They eventually burst. Supply and demand rules the market. Understand the basic principles. Scarcity creates value. The rarer something is, the more it's worth. Opportunity knocks but once. Be prepared to seize it when it arrives. Capitalism is creative destruction. Innovation disrupts existing industries. Regulation balances markets. It prevents abuse and ensures fairness. Ethics are non-negotiable. Do the right thing, even when it's hard. Reputation is everything. Protect your integrity at all costs. Social responsibility matters. Give back to the community. Give back to the community. It's good for business and for society. Sustainability is essential for long-term success. Protect the plane. Protect the planet. Invest in people. Your employees are your most valuable asset. Empower your team. Give them the autonomy to make decisions. Leadership inspires. Lead by example and motivate your team. Communication is vital. Be clear, concise, and transparent. Be transparent with your stakeholders. Honesty builds trust. Listen to your customers. Their feedback is invaluable. Solve problems effectively. Find creative solutions. Manage your time wisely. Prioritize tasks and eliminate distractions. Prioritize ruthlessly. Focus on the most important tasks. Stay organized. Order leads to efficiency. Avoid burnout. Take care of your physical and mental health. Enjoy the journey. Building a business is a marathon, not a sprint.